Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make one of my childhood favorites. We're making baked spaghetti together. This is a special recipe by my mom. She used to make it for us all the time when we were children. It's very easy to make, very filling, very delicious. So first off, we're going to start by making the bechamel sauce, and I'm going to write down all these ingredients down in the description box so you can always check that. So I'm taking about 2 tablespoons of butter. And first off, I'm going to melt the butter and then we are going to add the flour. Once the butter has been melted, I'm adding the flour right now and I'm whisking continuously for about 30 seconds. Once it looks golden like this, I'm now slowly adding the milk and I'm whisking at the same time. I'm going to get all of the milk in here. So when making bechamel sauce, if you whisk all the time, if you add room temperature milk, it's always going to work great. After I've got all of the milk in here, I'm going to continue simmering this while continuously whisking until it becomes a thicker consistency. So the bechamel sauce has been cooking for about 5 minutes, I'm going to say. It got a little thicker but not too thick, and now we're going to add the egg. Usually we don't add egg to bechamel sauce, but this is going to hold our pasta together. So I'm whisking the egg first. And I'm going to add some of that bechamel sauce into the egg to temper it a little bit. And while everything is still on a simmer, I'm adding the egg in here and I'm going to cook the bechamel sauce with the egg for about 30 more seconds. And now it's time to turn off the heat. Take my pan in front of me. I'm going to add some nutmeg. Just a little bit, goes a long way. Nutmeg is a spice that always goes very good together with milk or cream, so keep in mind. Some salt. Some black pepper. Black pepper also goes great with bechamel sauce. I'm going to whisk everything together. And I will get half of my mozzarella cheese in here. I'm whisking everything again. So this is the kind of consistency that I'm looking for. Looks great, smells great. Because of the egg, it will hold the pasta together. So this is perfect. So now, I'm taking my oven dish in front of me. And again, another trick that I learned from my mother. You don't need to do this, but if you put a phyllo dough in the bottom of it, first some olive oil, of course. If you put a phyllo dough on the bottom of it, it will be much easier to clean the bowl after, and it's going to hold the baked pasta again together. So if you do have one on hand, make sure to put it on. If you don't, it's not a must. So once I have the phyllo dough on here, I'm adding some of the sauce. I'm spreading it. I'm adding the cooked spaghetti, and make sure not to overcook your spaghetti. Make sure that it's al dente. I'm adding the remaining sauce on top of the spaghetti. With my spoon here, I'm spreading it out evenly. It smells so good. I can't wait for this to cook. And I can't wait to eat it. I'm covering it up with the phyllo dough. Not the whole way through, just whatever you have is okay. Some more olive oil. And some more cheese, generously. And now I'm going to transfer this to a preheated oven at 180 degrees. I'm going to put it towards the upper shelf of the oven so that the cheese melts, it becomes a golden brown color, and then it will be ready. It will take about 20 minutes. I'll see you then. And it's ready. It took about an addition of 20 minutes, and look at that. It looks so great, so gorgeous. I can't wait to cut myself a slice. I'm just gonna go in like this. Wow. A big slice. And look, because of the phyllo dough, it's very easy to serve as well. You just get in like this. Ah, just look at that. Ah, amazing. Now let's give it a taste. So good. Takes me back to my childhood. The pasta, because we didn't cook it, we didn't boil it too much, we cooked it al dente. It's perfect, you can still feel it, it's not too mushy. The golden cheese on top takes it to a whole different level. The bechamel sauce, it's saucy, but it's not too saucy, so not super heavy. It's just amazing. Simple, delicious. Everyone will love it. Please do try this recipe, you won't regret it. I share lots of easy, breezy, delicious Turkish recipes, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you next time. Bye!